A lot of y'all have been getting on me about how I haven't been doing my fun facts in my last videos. I know. I feel like ever since I talked about like my anxiety, like I haven't done a fun fact, but we're gonna get back into it today. I think today is fun fact number 5, right? I'm pretty sure it's number 5. If it's not, correct me in the comments down below. But today's fun fact is I have recently discovered my obsession with vintage Louis Vuitton pieces, and I joined this Facebook group. I will leave it down below for you guys. I talked about this on Snapchat, but literally for like 2-3 weeks straight, I was stalking that page every day because literally like every minute people are posting items for sale. And I mean, they're super hard to get Louis Vuitton pieces. Some of them are like brand new in box. And then you have like vintage pieces that Louis Vuitton no longer sells. I feel bad for putting the link down below because anyone that I put in this group, they've become obsessed just like me. But I've already made 3 purchases in the group. I haven't had any issues with any of the purchases that I have made. This is my latest baby and I love it so much. This is the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26 bag. I like using it as a clutch. It is so cute. I have a couple of items in here right now, but yeah, this baby holds a lot. So anytime I'm going out night on the town, this bag is everything for that. And I feel like it's just a classic piece that you can rock with like anything. I don't want to talk about this too much. I can go on and on and on about it. But if you like vintage Louis Vuitton pieces, you gotta check out the Facebook group. And no, nobody's telling me to talk about it. Matter of fact, they don't even probably watch my videos or even know who I am. But yeah, I'm like obsessed. There's like 160,000 people in the group. So it's a super big Facebook group. Hey dolls and gents, your girl is back. And today we are doing a tutorial on this half up, half down hairstyle. I have a lace frontal wig back in my head. I created a lace frontal wig using hair extensions from Eullair Hair. This is my second time using their hair extensions. Right now I have in, I believe they're Brazilian body wave hair. I will leave all the links down below for you guys because I don't remember the lengths. I know I have 4 bundles plus a lace frontal. I did go ahead and bleach the knots and tweeze the hairline on the lace frontal. And I just pulled out some baby hairs today. One thing that I will say that you should do that I did not do is make sure you pull and lay the baby hairs before you go and style the ponytail, because I didn't do that today and now my ponytail isn't as sleek as I want it to be. So that's my fault, and I had to change my shirt for the video. So yeah, those are 2 things. Make sure you already have your clothes on that you're gonna wear for the day, and make sure you pull those baby hairs out ahead of time so you don't mess up your sleek little ponytail. Also, I did add just a little bit of bundled hair to my ponytail just to make it a little bit more full, because I just wanted to use hair from the lace frontal. And I went ahead and added the leftover bundle. I think I had like a 1/4 of a bundle left. So that's all that I did for this part of the hair right here. I don't want to talk too long. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to click that subscribe button down below. Also hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. And if you want to see how I created this hairstyle right here, you know what to do. Stay tuned, guys. So we're first going to brush through the hair just to make sure there are no tangles before we start styling the hair. Next, we're going to part the hair on both sides so we're able to put it into a nice even ponytail. Next, we're going to take that section of hair that we just parted and apply the elastic band around it. Next, we're going to take all the hair that we left down and curl it with a curling wand. And I am showing you how I curl the left hand side. I do the right hand side off camera, but I'm starting in the back and I'm working my way to the top of the crown of my head. Please don't go. I got shows. I'm on the road. I'm headed home. I'm where that at. I don't
That's my goal, to be or not to be, that to be. Making up my mind while I'm puffing on that doobie. When I'm on my own, can't stop thinking about my roomies. Please don't call my phone, can't you see I'm with the rubies? Ruby, Ruby, I got a brand new whip, red and gold, yeah. Hop up in that backseat out at foreign. Don't nobody try some things and call me your opponent. Got a bunch of commas, then I roll up with the roll.
I did go ahead and tuck a little bit of my hair behind my ear. I really like the way that that looks with this hairstyle.
Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet, and I'm
so I curled the rest of the hair off camera, and we're going to take a little bit of hairspray to the top portion of the hair to make it nice and sleek.
And my mama starting to ask me where my money from. And my papa, he gon' call me when that popo come.
Now it's time to get our ponytail nice and sleek. I'm first combing it up, and then I'm going to take the hairspray yet again and apply it all over that portion. This is just going to make sure that our ponytail lays down super flat. I should have taken out the baby hairs at this point in time before I sleeked the ponytail down, but I did not do that. So my ponytail is not as sleek as it is here at the end, but just don't do the same mistake that I did, okay? So the ponytail was kind of thin up top just because I took a small section of hair from the frontal. So I'm going in with a bundle that I had left over. It's like 1/4 of the Body Wave bundle, and I am wrapping it all the way around the ponytail. This is going to secure it in place. And then I'm going to take the actual wefted portion of the hair and wrap it all the way around until I get to the end. And I'm also bobby pinning as I'm twirling it around. You'll see a few times. I think I used like maybe 3 or 4 bobby pins. And this definitely made my ponytail more full. I love the way that this came out.
We throwed up in my bands like going 75. All my friends, yeah, they up, they living this life. See my mama happy now cause I just bought her this house. I'm balling it out, living this life. I'm beating this hype.
So once we finish wrapping the full wefts around the ponytail, I'm just bobby pinning it and securing it in place, taking a little bit of hair out, and then I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail yet again, and this is going to cover up any like wefts or tracks that are showing. So I'm going to take a little bit of hairspray yet again and make sure that everything is laid down. Then we're going to comb through the ponytail hair and then start curling it just like we did for the bottom portion of the hair, always away from the face. So now I'm just combing through the hair again, making sure that everything is styled and smoothed down. And here is the finished look. I love the way that it turned out. If you are interested in checking out these hair extensions from Eullair Hair, definitely click the link down below. I will also leave any coupon codes that I have for you guys. I've had minimal shedding and minimal tangling since I installed this hair. This hair is really pretty, it's easy to style, and I wanted to do something a little bit different. I'm thinking about dyeing this hair like a blondish color. If you want to see a video on that, let me know in the comments down below, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. By the way, if you have not already watched my last video, be sure to click the box right here and it's going to take you straight to that video.